Welcome to Asian at Home. And today I'm going to show you how to make salt and pepper shrimp. Finally, woohoo! Okay, so I shared the salt and pepper chicken wing recipe right here. And then after that, so many of you guys asked me, hey, how about salt and pepper shrimp? That's my favorite. So here it is. I know you guys love shrimp, so let's get started. So you will need peeled and deveined 2 pounds of shrimp. I'm using like extra large, like they're like black tiger shrimp. I got this from Costco at the frozen section, so you can definitely find same shrimp at the Costco. Okay, I just peeled them, so I'm gonna put this into the larger mixing bowl. The one thing you need to make sure is they are nice and dry too, and then season them with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Okay, now into the seasoned shrimp, I'm gonna add 3/4 cup of cornstarch or potato starch. I said I'm gonna add cornstarch or potato, that doesn't make sense. But anyways, I'm using potato starch because I think potato starch is a little more crispier than cornstarch, but cornstarch will work just fine, okay? Stop it. Apparently, when I did the recipe testing, it was 3/4 cup, but it's 1 cup. A little extra. Like a little extra wouldn't kill you, but not enough will kill the salt and pepper shrimp. So make sure it's a little extra. I think 1 cup is fine. And make sure the shrimp is evenly all coated with the starch. Now I'm gonna grab some garlic. You will need 10 cloves of garlic, small and big. We are gonna deep fry that too and toast with the shrimp. So small ones, just leave it as a whole, and big ones, cut it in half. This whole garlic, fried garlic, is gonna be fantastic with the shrimp. And now I'm going to slice 1 green chili and 1 red chili into diagonal angle. And because of the chilies will be deep fried too, so I like to kind of shake off their excess seeds because they are, you know, they're gonna pop in the oil. I'm just trying to make my risk a little lower than what it is. Garlic and chilies are good to go. I've been heating my vegetable oil to 375 degrees to fry up all my garlic, chili, and the shrimp. First, garlic into a strainer. This one has a little hole, okay? And then I'm gonna drop into the oil and fry less than 20 seconds, about 15 seconds to 20 seconds. Don't go over than that, okay? All right, now I'm going to put the fried garlic over here, and it's time for the chilies. Deep fry the chili maybe like 5 seconds, no longer than that, okay? And do like far away like this and like this. Oh, and the other thing is, do not let the chilies escape from the strainer, okay? It's gonna be messy if they do. So go for it. Now they're good. See, that was pretty quick, right? Seonkyoung, do I have to deep fry the chili and garlic? Even you seems like you're scared. I mean, you can just start fry if you want to, but I don't want to dirty up another pan. That's the reason I'm taking risk over here, okay? I added a little more starch because my shrimp was sitting here, and you know, filming recipe videos, it takes a little longer time, so it was sitting a little extra time, so they soak up a lot of moisture from the shrimp. So I added a little extra starch, so if it happens to you too in your kitchen, go ahead and add a little more starch, okay? That's completely fine. Okay. Now, we're gonna drop the shrimp one by one, and from here to far away to you. Lay down the oil far away from you. So my shrimp is pretty big, so I'm gonna fry them about 3 to 4 minutes, but adjust the cooking time depending on the size of the shrimp you're using. 2 pounds of shrimp, you definitely must do the batches, because we do not wanna crowd the pan too much. Then the oil temperature goes down way too fast, way too much, and it wouldn't be crispy. I prepared my baking dish and a cooling rack right here to lay the shrimp on while I'm frying the rest of the shrimp. I've done frying my shrimp. They are nice and crispy. Okay, so in a mixing bowl, I'm going to add my fried shrimp. And this is 3/4 teaspoon of salt plus the same amount of freshly ground black pepper. I'm gonna sprinkle in all over the shrimp. Toss it before I'm gonna toss my chilies and garlic into it. So crispy! And of course, to your taste, you can add more salt and pepper. This is really actually great to serve with any your favorite dipping sauce. My assistant Hanyar, he likes to dipping in sweet chili sauce. I personally like as it is, but yeah, I mean dipping in mayonnaise. Kewpie mayonnaise will be really good too. Toss in the fried garlic, fried chilies, and squeeze a little lime. Oh yeah. Maybe put lime here, maybe right there. So yeah, this is it, guys. Okay, guys, come on, let's eat. Two handsome guys wearing my merch and it's woo!
Come on, let's eat.
Mm.
Oh.
Mm.
Mm. That's good.
How do you with sweet chili sauce?
Super good with sweet chili sauce.
So that's my homemade sweet chili sauce. I
me
think
try.
I have a recipe on my website. If I find the link, I will put the link down below. If it's not, I'm not sure. Hey, hey.
I'm trying to get some sweet chili sauce.
I love this fried
Doesn't
garlic.
really need it, but I want to try it with it.
The fried garlic is so good, huh? It's so crispy.
You did a good job.
It's good, no?
Can you take this? The shrimp's cooked perfect too when the tail, when it comes right out of the tail like that.
So, Hanyar is one of the person who cannot eat cilantro.
Cilantro is nasty.
Cilantro is delicious.
Cilantro is life. This
It's
shrimp.
perfect beer snack, potluck food.
Oh, look at that.
Comes out every time, perfect.
You know what? I guess it made it a little extra crispy because the first 3/4 cup of starch that I added soaked over the moisture from shrimp, and I added the extra starch right before frying.
Well, quit moving your mouth.
And I stopped chewing.
I know, stop. Just go with it.
Can you see the hole? Okay. So this was the biggest shrimp I could find from Costco. And this wasn't what I was going for. When I went to Costco, I was looking for a smaller one than this one, but this is all they had. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked my salt and pepper shrimp recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. Come closer, babe. And subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys! Make sure to make my recipe, take a picture, and tag me Seonkyoung Longest on Instagram and Facebook so I can reshare, like, and comment on your posts. Bye, love you!